Welcome to EC Electronics. This is the part 2 of time and work video. So the next problem we are going to do is this. A can do a piece of work in same time in which B and C together can do it. If A and B can do it in 10 days and C alone in 50 days, B alone can do it in how many days? Option A 15 days, option B 20 days, option C 25 days and option D 30 days. So from the first statement, we can understand that is A can do a piece of work in same time in which B and C together can do it. So we can write A equal to B plus C. Okay, so that is the first thing we just understood. Next one, if A and B can do it in 10 days, that is A plus B can do the work in 10 days. Or we can also write the portion of work A plus B doing in 1 day is 1 by 10. That is the 1 day's work equal to 1 by 10. That is A plus B's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 10 of the total work. Okay. That is, if A plus B can do the work in 10 days, means in 1 day they'll be doing 1 by 10th of the work. So this is the second thing we just understood. Also, it is given C alone can do it in 50 days. That means C will take 50 days to do the work, or we can say C's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 50. Okay. So these three things is understood. Now, if A, B and C together is working, then how much portion of the work will be completed? So we can calculate A, B and C's 1 day's work. We already have A plus B's 1 day's work and we have C's 1 day's work. That is, this much portion of work is done if A and B are working together for a single day. Also, if C is working, then in 1 day C can do 1 by 50th of the work. So if A plus B plus C is working together, then in 1 day how much work is completed? 1 by 50 plus 1 by 10. Okay, so here the LCM is 50, 1 plus 5, that is 6 by 50, or we can write 3 by 25. Correct. So that is the statement, or that is the next thing we got. Now, from the first statement or the first thing we understood from the question is A equal to B plus C. That is, A's work is same as B and C working together. That is, A is as efficient as if B and C is working together. So in this, that is, if I'm going to mark this as equation number 1. I'm going to substitute A plus B plus C as 2A, because we know B plus C is nothing but A. So you can write this as 2A's 1 day or 1 day's work. What is it equal to? It is nothing but 3 by 25. Right. That is, if A equal to B plus C, you can substitute B plus C as A. So this A plus B plus C will be 2A. And from this, A's 1 day's work equal to 3 by 25 by 2. That is into 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 50. A plus B's 1 day work and A's 1 day work. That is the work done by A plus B in 1 day and A in 1 day. Now how to find the work done by B in 1 day? That is, subtract this from this. Or say this is 2 and this is 1. Then subtract 1 from 2. So you will get 1 by 10 minus 3 by 50. That is, you are going to subtract the work done by A in 1 day from this A plus B's 1 day's work. You will get 50 is the LCM. So 5 minus 3, which is 2 by 50. So this is the work done by B in 1 day. So I'll remove this. B is 1 day work. So if B can do 2 by 50th of the work in a single day, how many days will B take to do the whole work? It is nothing but 50 by 2, which is equal to 25 days. So this is a very simple question. Actually, this is a word problem, because from this sentences you have to frame equations or statements, and then you have to solve it and then find the result. So this is actually a very simple problem, but you have to understand the method of doing it. A is thrice as good workman as B, and therefore is able to finish a job in 60 days less than B. Working together, they can do it in how many days? Option A, 20 days. Option B, 22.5 days. Option C, 25 days. And option D, 30 days. So here, the calculation is based on actually time. It is given A is thrice, that is 3 times, good workman as B. So if A is doing a job in single day, we'll take 3 days more. Or we can write the time ratio A is to B equal to 1:3. Or you can write A by B equal to 1/3. So you got 3A equal to B. So this is understood from the first statement, that is A is thrice as good workman as B. Next, and therefore is able to finish a job in 60 days less than B. So if A is a good workman compared to B, then obviously A will be taking less number of days to do a particular job as compared to B. That is, B will be taking more days as compared to A. So the difference is given, that is A is taking 60 days less than B. So from this we can write B minus A equal to 60. Okay, so since the difference in time, that is 60 days, is given, you can write the number of days taken by B minus number of days taken by A is 60. Okay, so if you substitute this relation, that is relation number 1, in this equation, say this equation number 2, what will you get? So 3A equal to B, that is 3A minus A equal to 60. So you can write 2A equal to 60 or A equal to 30. So we got A is taking how many days to do our work? Is 30 days. Again, if you substitute the value of A in equation number 2, you will be getting the number of days taken by B. So I'm going to substitute, that is B minus 30 equal to 60. So B equal to 30 plus 60. So B equal to 90. So always when you are doing a problem, try to do in minimum number of steps rather than going for detail. Just do in minimum number of steps possible. Also, there are various approaches of doing various problems. So if you are doing it in another way and you are getting the right answer, it's okay. But I am doing it my own way. Okay. So you got A as 30, B as 90. That is, A is taking 30 days and B is taking 90 days. Now we have to find how many days that is A and B will be taking if they are working together. Now we have to find the portion of work done by A in a single day and B in a single day. That is, A's 1 day's work is nothing but, if 30 days is taken to do the whole work, then 1/30th of the work will be done in a single day. Also, B's 1 day work is equal to 1/90. Now, if A and B are working together, then the portion of work completed in a single day. That is, A plus B's work for 1 day equal to 1/30 plus 1/90. 93 plus 1. That is 4/90. So you got 4/90. you can simplify this 4 by 90 as 2 by 45. That is A plus B's 1 day work equal to 2 by 45. That is 2 by 45 portion of the work is done in a single day. So how many days A and B will take to do the whole work? It is nothing but 45 by 2. So 45 by 2 is equal to 22 and a half. So your option here is option B. The next question is A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. So first itself it is understood the time taken by A, B and C is given. In how many days A can do a job if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? Okay. So A is assisted by B and C on the every third day. So in how many days A can do the work? Options A 12, B 15, C 16 and D 18. So first we'll find, that is, first we'll try to understand what is given in the question. So A is doing the job alone for 2 days and on every third day B and C is going to join him. That is the first 1 and 2. These 2 days A is alone. Then on the third day A plus B plus C. Okay. So first we'll find the portion of work done by A in these 2 days. Then we'll find the portion of work completed on this third day. And then we'll add these 2. And then we'll find how many days will be taken by A to do the whole job. Okay. So first, what is the efficiency of A? Eta A equal to, here the time is given, that is 20 days. That is 1 by 20 is the efficiency. And A is working alone for how many days? TA is here, it is 2. So what is the portion of work done in 2 days? So here only A is present. So the portion of work completed is 1 by 20 into 2. That is 1 by 10 of the work is done in 1 and 2 days. Okay, that is the first 2 days. Now, if A plus B plus C is working together, that is the case of the third day. If A plus B plus C is working together, then the portion of work done. Equal to, here what all efficiencies you have to take? You have to take the efficiencies of A, B and also C. That is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. Into number of days is 1. So what is the LCM here? It is 60. So here it is 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is 6 by 60, again 1 by 10. So on the third day also 1 by 10 portion of the work is done. So what is the sum total of work done in the 3 days? That is work done in 3 days equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. Right, that is 2 by 10, or you can write 1 by 5. Taking the 3 days together, the 1 by 5 portion of the work is done, because we got that on the first 2 days 1 by 10th of the work is done, and in the third day when A, B and C are together, then 1 by 10th of the work is done. So clubbing these 3 days, total 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 is 1 by 5 portion of the work is done. In how many days? 3 days. So what is the total number of days taken to do the whole work? Is nothing but 5 into 3. 5 into 3, which is equal to 15 days. So total 15 days is taken by the A to do the whole work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day. So the correct answer here is option B. So you know the things are getting smaller and smaller with electronics. May the difficulty in understanding electronics also get smaller and smaller day by day. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like and share, and also do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.